Tîm o sefydliadau yn gweithio gyda'i gilydd i archwilio cefn gwlad Sir Gaerfyrddin ydy RDP Sir Gâr. Trwy'r Cynllun Datblygu Gwledig, mae yna nifer o brosiectau yn cael ei ariannu yn y sir, megis sgiliau, busnes, twristiaeth, mynediad o'r wasanaethau, yn ogystal â chymorth i gefnogi ffermwyr i arallgyfeirio. Dyma beth sydd wedi digwydd yn eich ardal chi.
My name's James Littlejohns. I'm a coxswain here at Ferryside Lifeboat, and we were lucky enough to benefit from the RDP funding programme. We were given money and equipment for our community building and to aid us with our training facility, of which we train all our own crew. It's been a great benefit for us. Initially it saves us money from having to send the crew out to be trained externally, and also it adds with capacity building for the crew members for them to be able to be trained by their fellow crew and coxswains. The other benefits mean that the equipment is also able to be used for other fundraising events for us. It also means that we're able to teach school children varying areas of the community about safety by the sea.
Hi, my name is Rachel Gegashidze and I'm the Time Credit Facilitator for Cefnogi'r Time Credits Programme in Carmarthenshire. My post has been funded through the RDP grant and it's enabled Carmarthenshire Housing Services to employ me as the Time Credit Facilitator to set up a pilot time credit programme across the Cefnogi'r locality. So how that works is that community members give their time at such things as a litter pick or to put on an activity or to run an event, and they then can earn one time credit for every hour that they contribute, and then they can spend those time credits and through participating in a range of activities across the community, such as leisure services, the botanical gardens, the theatres are on board in Carmarthenshire. We now have a broad range of activities on our menu, and people can use it to have new experiences and new opportunities that they perhaps wouldn't have if they wasn't earning time credits and giving their time in that way. We have over 500 hours earned already. We're up to around 150 members that have signed up to the programme, and interest and is building all the time.